Is it necessary for me to apply for an N-600 for my children? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle, and I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. An N-600 is an application for a certificate of citizenship, and the certificate of citizenship may be needed in some instances, and today we're going to talk about what it is and why you may need to apply for this document. So in general, the scenario happens like this. A parent with minor children applies for naturalization. They file an N-400, they go and have their interview, and they are approved for citizenship. The parents' underage children who are under 18 years old, will then derive citizenship at that moment that the parent is sworn in. And so the next question is, when the parent is sworn in, how do you prove that your children are now also U.S. citizens? There are two ways to do it. One is to apply for a passport, a United States passport for the children, and the other way is to apply for a certificate of citizenship. Now, in my opinion, most people do not need to apply for this certificate for their children. There can be exceptions, however, such as children who are possibly applying for government jobs, children who may be applying for special scholarships or something to do with their education may require a copy of this document. But for the most part, a U.S. passport should be sufficient for your children to demonstrate that they are U.S. citizens. Now, if you do decide to go ahead and apply for this document, please understand that it is very expensive. It is more than $1,000 to make the application. The processing times can be very long. Currently, they are more than a year. In Atlanta, it says 13.5 months as of September 2022 when I'm making this video. And the last thing to keep in mind is that your child will have an interview. So they will have to go down to the immigration office and answer questions about their case. So yes, you can absolutely do this if you would like your children to have this certificate, but please keep in mind that maybe a passport would be enough for those children in their daily lives. Hope this information is helpful to you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button here on YouTube and the bell so that you're going to get notifications the next time we post a video.